bots on a budget, my squeaky chair and all, we're building a mouse droid for your minifigures. This guy's going to be really easy, but really cool. This is my version. It's appeared in some sets, but this is my version. Pretty similar though. And until, you know, it doesn't need that many pieces. We're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. So you guys can easily build a whole army of these mouse droids for your imperial base. So without further ado, let me show you what pieces you're going to need, and let's build the imperial mouse droid. So this is all you're going to need to build the mouse droid. If you want to build an army of them, you're going to just multiply what's here by how many mouse droids you want to build. So pause the video here and join us in a second, and let's build the mouse droid on bots on a budget. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. This black brick with a stud on both sides is the key to the middle. You're going to take this dark gray holder piece, and you're going to put one on each side like this. You're going to take the antenna, put it in the middle like this. It's really simple. Going to take the cheese slope, one on each side of the gray studs. 1, 2, and oh my god, you're just about done already. Then you're going to take a black stud and put it on each remaining stud of the holder. And there, you are done. That's the quickest one I think we've ever done. Yeah, there's your mouse droid. Build it how you like. There's Han Solo to see the spacing, the sizing. And there's a minifigure. So, there it is. Your mouse droid. Scared of Wookiees, scared of whatever, Darth Vader, but you can build your little mouse droid. So there it is, bots on a budget. Watch for more cool bots on a budget, bigger, smaller, and cool. So again, this is really bots on a budget. This is extreme bots on a budget. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Happy building, everyone. Check out our website, BWTMT Brickworks.com, and hope you support us on this channel and by buying instructions for our most common and most favorite creations. Until next time, everyone, happy building and take care.